Unraveling Idioms. No skin off my nose. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and somewhat quirky idiom. No skin off my nose. This phrase might sound a bit odd at first, but it's a wonderful example of the colorful and imaginative aspects of the English language. By understanding idioms like this, you can enhance your fluency and grasp the nuances that make English so unique. Let's get started. The phrase, "no skin off my nose," is an idiom used to express that a situation or outcome does not affect someone personally, or that they are not bothered by it. Essentially, it means that the speaker has nothing to lose or is not offended by what has happened or what someone has said. It's a way of shrugging off a situation, indicating that it doesn't have a negative impact on them. The exact origins of the phrase are a bit murky, but it's believed to be derived from boxing or other physical sports, where getting hit in the face could literally result in skin being taken off one's nose. Over time, the phrase evolved into a metaphorical expression, used to convey indifference to potential harm or offense in a non-physical sense. It's a great example of how language can adapt and change over time, borrowing from different aspects of life to create new meanings. Using "no skin off my nose" in conversation can add a touch of lightheartedness or nonchalance. Here's how you can incorporate it. In response to concerns, if someone is worried their actions might upset you, you can say, "It's no skin off my nose," to reassure them that you're not bothered. To express indifference, when asked for your opinion on a matter that doesn't affect you personally, you might use this phrase to indicate your neutral stance. Remember, while this idiom is informal, it's best used in casual conversations and might not be suitable for formal contexts. Let's put it into practice with some examples. 1. A. I hope you don't mind that I borrowed your book. B. Oh, it's no skin off my nose. I already finished reading it. 2. A. Are you upset that they started without us? B. Not at all, it's no skin off my nose. We can catch up. Practicing with real-life scenarios like these can help you get comfortable using the phrase in your own conversations. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and usage of "no skin off my nose." Idioms like these enrich our language and make it more vibrant. We hope this video has been informative and has added a fun, new expression to your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't hesitate to embrace the quirky side of English. Until next time, happy learning!